Samsung continues to redefine home entertainment with the 65-inch Neo QLED QN990F 2025 model, combining 8K resolution with mini LED technology. This TV delivers a visual experience that is vibrant, sharp, and incredibly lifelike. Movies, sports, and games all take on a new level of realism thanks to Samsung's advanced processing and display technology. The design is modern and elegant, with a sleek profile that almost disappears when wall-mounted. Setup is straightforward with the wireless One Connect box, which allows all your devices to connect through a single discrete cable. This keeps your space organized and clutter-free. At the heart of this TV is the Neo Quantum Processor 8K Gen 3. It uses AI-powered upscaling to transform lower-resolution content into near 8K quality, enhancing detail, color accuracy, and contrast. Whether you're streaming HD shows or watching UHD movies, the processor intelligently optimizes every frame to deliver stunning visuals. The glare-free screen ensures consistent picture quality in brightly lit rooms, so reflections are never a distraction. Mini LED backlighting elevates contrast and shadow detail, while Quantum HDR ensures highlights shine brightly and dark areas remain deep and rich. Samsung Vision AI automatically adjusts picture settings based on the environment and type of content, delivering the most natural and immersive image possible. Every scene feels cinematic, whether it's a fast-paced action movie or a calm nature documentary. Audio performance is equally impressive. Object tracking sound creates a sense of movement, making sounds follow the action on screen. The TV also integrates seamlessly with Samsung's Q Symphony system for multi-channel audio. Built-in voice control via Alexa provides easy access to smart home features, entertainment, and TV functions without the need for a remote. For gaming, this TV is a standout choice. With a 120Hz refresh rate, variable refresh rate support, and minimal input lag, gameplay is smooth and responsive. 8K AI upscaling enhances in-game graphics, while HDR adds depth and realism to every scene. Whether you're using a console, PC, or cloud gaming service, performance is exceptional. Tizen OS makes navigation seamless, allowing fast access to streaming apps, connected devices, and settings. The TV also integrates smoothly with other Samsung products, creating a cohesive ecosystem for mobile, audio, and smart home devices. The 65-inch size strikes the perfect balance for most living rooms, providing cinematic immersion without overwhelming the space. With features like mini LED, 8K resolution, AI upscaling, and Samsung Vision AI, this TV is designed to stay relevant for years. It's a future-proof choice for anyone seeking high-end performance in a sleek, stylish package. Overall, the Samsung 65-inch Neo QLED QN990F offers a combination of premium design, advanced technology, and immersive entertainment. From picture clarity and contrast to audio and smart features, it delivers an unmatched viewing experience across movies, sports, and gaming. For anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup, this TV provides everything needed for an impressive, long-lasting investment. Check the link in the description to explore the latest deals and purchase the Samsung 65-inch Neo QLED QN990F today.